Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a brand new trash can liner into your trash can. What you will need for this is a trash can liner and a trash can. First step is open up your trash can and pull out the can. Okay, first things first. If you have a trash can that has a knot hole, make sure to locate it. Some trash cans do not have this, so you could skip this step. Regardless, it's always great to tie a knot in your trash bag. Next, you want to air out your trash bag and open it up. Then install it into the can. At this point, amateurs will say this is a job well done, but no, there's a whole lot more. Fold the top of the bag around the rim of the can, just about 2 to 3 inches. This should give you enough space to do what you're going to do next, which is line up the crease of the bag with the knot hole. Now, tie the knot. You could always make the rim of the bag a bit smaller than the actual can. This will actually help keep the bag in place when trash is thrown in it. Alright muscles, now's the time to wrap the bag around the rim of the trash can. You could do it. Make sure it's nice and tight. And near the rim at the top, put a hole into it so air escapes the trash can when trash is thrown into it. Now make sure the knot is lined up with the knot hole of the trash can, and push the knot hole into it so it hides and doesn't stick out when you insert it into the trash can. For those of you without a knot hole trash can, just tie the knot underneath the rim of the bag. Congratulations! You just installed a trash can liner into a trash can. Since your wife left you and she took care of taking out the trash, you can now take care of throwing all her trash out. Yeah, there you go.